I'm Robert.
I'm Rachel.
And you're watching R&R with One-to-One.
So Robert,
Yeah.
I'm having a problem. I can't get onto the site. Is the internet down?
Yes, Rachel, the entire internet is down. All over the world. I know because I looked at it on the internet.
Okay, Robert, so is our network down or something?
I don't know. Did you try pinging it?
What is that?
Pinging, it's a ping test. When you run a ping test, it determines whether or not you can reach a specific server on a network or the internet, and it tells you how much latency there might be.
I don't know how to do that.
I can show you, it's very easy. So the easiest way to run a ping test is from a command prompt. You can find that in Windows by going to Start and typing Command to open a prompt, or in older versions of Windows, choose Run and type in CMD, and you'll get this black window. In a Mac, just open your network utility and select the Ping tab, and you can do the same thing. In the command prompt, type in ping, then a space, and then the destination you're trying to reach. So if that's a website like CNN.com, type that. Then press enter on your keyboard. You should see the ping command trying to reach your destination. It will attempt this 4 times, and it will either come back with some results like saying there was a reply from the server, or it will tell you it could not reach the destination. Let's take a look at the results here and see what they're trying to tell us. So the ping command sent 4 packets of data to the server. The server was identified by its IP address, and we can see the packets of data were 32 bytes in size. It took each one a variable amount of time, and those are indicated in milliseconds. The last number is the time to live. This is basically the number of hops or devices the packet is allowed to touch before the request fails, but we don't really need to know that for our purposes. This result set tells us quite a bit. It tells us that 1. Our computer is connected to the internet. 2. It's also connected to a working DNS server. You know that because it was able to change the domain name into the IP address. And 3. It's also able to connect to the server you were trying to reach. So if you were trying to reach a website that wasn't working, you now know that it can reach the server the website lives on. So the website software on the server might not be running, or your browser could be experiencing a problem displaying the site. Now, ping test isn't going to tell you if the service that you're trying to connect to is actually running, but it will tell you if you can at least reach the server that you're trying to reach. However, some firewalls block ping tests, so it's not exactly a 100% reliable test.
So then why did you just make me do that?
Well, because it's a valuable way to attempt to diagnose a problem. And I have to make a lot of these videos, and I'm starting to run out of ideas. But seriously speaking, it's very easy to do. I suggest you guys give it a try. Go ahead and try and ping something on your network or out on the internet. It's fun, it's easy. And one of these days, IT support, you're gonna be on the phone with them. They're gonna ask you to try and ping something, and you'll already be an expert.
Can we get back to my problem, please?
I guess. Well, I guess that's all we have time for now. This is another episode of R&R with One-to-One. All right, Rachel, did you even try clearing your cache?
I don't remember how to do that.
Oh my gosh. All right, click there. Go down. Click that. Don't click that.